Now if you're driving down the road and you hear a rattle on your car, it goes away, not really anything to worry about. But if you have a continual rattle or a knock, there's every chance that it's something like your exhaust system here that could be rattling, has come loose, and that's knocking against the suspension components. So best thing to do is get it checked. So if you hear any strange noises on your car, best thing you can do, pop into a Rapid Tune service centre. There's 6 of them situated all around Melbourne. Get the guys to do a health check on your car and they'll get you back on the road nice and smart.